Hey everybody, Hobart here with Hobart's Workshop. We're coming back with the second video of our little, I know I'm moving this around a lot, of our rebuild. So what we're going to do is do a little bit of the deconstruction part of it. So as we see up in here, hey, it's Coke bottle. So I don't know if I can get this all the way off because this plaster really sucks. Plaster's glued on in some cases. I'm not really going to try to save this material, but it'd be nice if we can keep it a little bit because there we go. Oh man, this is coming off. Just bring it over here. This is what we got going on. You see it's hot glued in there. That's a lot of hot glue. Again, I'm not really wanting to. I'm really not wanting to save all this. Just want to separate it. Oh man, it's gonna be ugly. Yeah, this plaster's old and funky. It's just coming apart right now. I see where the most weight of this thing is coming from. It's just, good God, awful. I got this from a friend of mine, Tom. But if you built this, sorry, I gotta take it apart. I gotta rebuild it. Too heavy. I got this big old head of mine and it just doesn't fit, bro. Oh wow, now I see a lot of the, good God, man. Bro, you use so much super glue. Here's that little plastic. It was a piece of Coke bottle. This thing is just random gobs of hot glue. Not what I would have done, but hey. There we go. Come on. Oh wow, dude, you just left the whole cranium on there. That's where all that weight's coming from. Right there, look at that. Wow. What I'm doing is lots and lots of super glue in here. Again, I'm not really worried about keeping all this faux fur on this thing because it's, oh man, it's coming right off. Look at that. Bam. Here we go. It's all off. And this is what we're left with. Jesus Christ, this is still heavy. These horns are massive. Alright, so that's it for part 2. We'll come back. We're going to take this piece off right here. And we're going to try and clean these horns up.